Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can turn off adult content in the Bluesky application. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do guys is launch Bluesky on your mobile device. As you can see, I'm accessing Bluesky through my Android mobile phone. So what you want to do is here in your home feed, tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left corner and then scroll down and head over to your account's settings here. And after that, what you want to do is scroll down again till you get to this section of your account settings, moderation, tap on it. And here guys, what you want to do is in this section, content filters, make sure that this option, enable adult content, is disabled and stays disabled or turned off, unless of course you would like to enable it. That's totally up to you. But if you, for example, enable it, you will be given the opportunity to show or hide these categories here of adult content. So guys, if you'd like to turn it off entirely, simply tap here, switch off, enabled to disabled, and that is going to keep your timeline and your home feed on Bluesky free from posts with adult content. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.